and then there was only 10 minutes before they closed, and then we were asking Hello Kitty if we could take pictures.
Store for a birthday bash because today is Claire's birthday, and right now you probably don't see anything much because they already cleaned up everything because we got here really late. They closed at 6. I mean the event shut down at 6 o'clock, but we didn't get here until like 5:50, so everything has shut down. But I managed to take a few photos with Hello Kitty, and I managed to go through some of the stations that they had. Oh no, Kitty's leaving. No.
Later.
So these here are all the squishies that they have left. There was a special limited edition birthday cake squishy. It was like huge XXL, but it's limited edition, so they already sold out a long time ago. So that's it. They're not going to have it anymore. But there are a few other Hello Kitty's items that they're sold out, but they may have it restocked again, or you could check online to see if they have it. Those items are like the Hello Kitty notebook and Hello Kitty pens. They're very cute. I was able to get the last notebook, but as for the birthday cake squishy, yeah, that was it. Show you what I got at Claire's, and this is what I bought. Yay! It's a diary, so there's a log here, and look at this. The collar is so cute. It's like pastel rainbow. And it's just so furry. And oh yeah, so they were closing up all the stations. And so they didn't have time to do my nails, but I begged them to do just 2 fingers. And they didn't have time to dry it, so I kind of messed it up. So I was playing the spin the wheel, and I got a second prize. I have no idea what's in this bag. So let's find out. Oh, well, I did get 2 cookies. And these are from the Hello Kitty Cafe. Let's see. I don't know what's in here. I got a
pen.